Flight cancellations can be a major inconvenience, especially if you're on your way to a vacation or an important business trip. But don't panic. You can take steps to minimize the disruption and get back on track as quickly as possible. What to do when your flight is canceled? Stay calm. It's easy to get frustrated when your flight is canceled, but staying calm and collected is essential. This will help you think clearly and make the best decisions. Check with the airline. Check if they can rebook you on another flight. If they can, great. They must provide you with a refund or other compensation if they still need to. Explore your options. If the airline can't rebook you on a flight that works for you, you may need to explore other options. This could include flying on a different airline, taking a train or bus, or driving to your destination. Be patient. Getting rebooked on a flight may take some time, or finding another way to get to your destination. Be patient and understanding with the airline and other passengers. No one can guarantee smooth travel, and unexpected events can occur. In addition to the tips above, here are some suggestions for making the most of a difficult situation. Be flexible. This will give you more options when it comes to rebooking. Have a backup plan. It's always a good idea to have a backup plan in case your flight is canceled. This could include having a backup flight booked on a different airline or having a friend or family member pick you up from the airport. Be prepared. Ensure you have all your essential documents, such as your passport, boarding pass, and travel insurance information. This will make it easier to rebook or find another way to reach your destination. Dealing with a flight cancellation can be frustrating, but patience is essential. Remember, the airline does its best to quickly get you to your destination. If you have travel insurance, check your policy to see if it covers flight cancellations. If it does, you can file a claim to recover the cost of your travel arrangements. If you're stranded in an unfamiliar city, feel free to ask for help. Airport staff and other passengers can provide information on nearby hotels, transportation, and restaurants. Remember that you're not alone. Flight cancellations are common, and millions of people experience them every year. Just take a deep breath, stay positive, and get through it. Flight cancellations can be a bummer, but there are steps you can take to help you get back on track. Stay calm, and explore your options for a smoother resolution. We value your input. Share your experiences or information on flight cancellations in the comments below. Your insights could help others in a similar situation. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice. See you in the next video.